In this video, we will create a multi-baseline corridor. We'll add another baseline to this corridor. How we do that is we click on the corridor, right click, go to corridor properties. Here I want to add a baseline. And for this baseline, I'll use alignment and profile. And for the alignment, I will use the second alignment here. This is the alignment. It's RD2, and I'm okay with that. For the vertical baseline, I will also select the finished ground RD2, or I can come here to the drawing and select this design profile here. Now it's time to add a region for this baseline. I will still select the RD1 type of region of assembly. We've not added a region. Let me add a region here. Sorry, we already added it. I remove this sub-region. And we can now view. As you can see, the region has been added and the baseline has been added. I want to create an intersection here, and therefore I will edit this region or this baseline and shorten it to that part. But as you can see, when I select this part is also selected because they are part of the same corridor. So this corridor has two baselines, this baseline and this baseline. In the next recording, we will learn how to create an intersection.